like gold films, grainy, never let go. Streets empty, silence loud in the chaos solo, reminiscing on nights, love lost in the afterglow. Raindrops, syncopate notes on the ivories, both hands fighting love letters and diaries. Thunder almost softly passed in the galleries, dreams in BMW, life in temporary galleries. Raindrops play songs of old flames, whispers in the storm, calling out names. Ghost of love past in the downpour, it claims, dancing through the memories, eternal frames. Eyes closed tight, seared in every droplet. Fingers graze the air, try to form a couplet. Clouds above paint pictures so vivid, tales of our love, each moment so liquid. Heartbeats measure time, synchronized with the rain. Each drop a heartbeat, story of our refrain. Piano tunes whispered through the window pane. Old memories return in the September lane. Raindrops play songs of old flames, whispers in the storm, calling out names. Ghost of love past in the downpour, it claims, dancing through the memories, eternal frames. Raindrops play songs of old flames, whispers in the storm, calling out names. Ghost of love past in the downpour, it claims, dancing through the memories, eternal frames.